Recruit crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 from the car. This is your final call.
Check the binary motorway. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to the cargo.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. Deviate, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First target TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, get clear path so transport can make the jump.
Incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him low.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get there. More than that.
Star Destroyers.
Get over there.
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. He's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141. Identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They're working against our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
You will disembark and proceed down the corridor to provide for your interrogation. Now go.
Alright, let's play a game of which run is real. Which one of y'all is real? Which one? Who's real? Oh, I think that one moved. Look at that one. Or that one.
Line is file. How many? This way. Step over. That's that new line. Clean it up. Slide over.
Where'd you get that? It's either we go get it or this guy give me his, but I don't think he's gonna give me his, so.
Good. Just take it from me, but that's why.
He's just as big as I am.
How many? Red. How many? Red. Blue. Say this once. Remember the colors I have just assigned to you. They are vital to your interrogation. Anytime you see your color, you will head to it. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Lieutenant. If you are wearing a bag, take it off and hold it in your hand. This includes anything on your shoulders, around your waist, or across your body. And if you are still unsure if it is a bag, a
So
You've been in jail.
too many.
Way too many times you've been on
Aggressive.
this jail.
There's no stormtrooper. Oh, now there is.
Can't even.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait.
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad. The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This is hard about
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Soft target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority.